Turn old into beautiful with Oak Lane Studios' Folksy Bloom Table project. This table was upcycled from a wooden pallet. Start by sanding down the entire table. This will provide a suitable surface for the paint to stick to. Next, remove any residual dust from the table. Now you can paint the table with a flat white primer paint combo. Once your base coat is dry, you are ready to place your Folksy Bloom stencil. Frog tape works great to hold the stencil in place. Americana acrylic paints come in a variety of colors. Keep a roll of paper towels handy. Swirl the brush to soak the bristles with the color. Use the paper towels to remove excess paint from the brush before stenciling. Apply the color by lightly stippling the paint onto the table surface. For additional help holding the stencil flat against the table surface, use Stencil Ease's repositionable spray adhesive. Repeat the process for all other colors. Remove the stencil by taking one end and pulling straight up. Your newly transformed table featuring Oak Lane Studios' Folksy Bloom stencil is ready to brighten any room.